Trinity baseball box number 4.
They'll take advantage of some of his overall abilities, and this will be the biggest test for this LSU defense. LSU has been phenomenal defensively, and they've got a lot of guys that play in the pros. But we do have to sort of look at the offenses that they played.
Oh, Clemson. Thickness to it. Double patch.
To move the ball down the field on LSU. The question is, can they put the ball in the end zone and can you avoid negative plays? The thing that Trinidad Chambers has done the best is protect the football. Austin Smith had 4 interceptions in the first 2 games before he got hurt. Chambers has not turned the ball over again. If that continues, I think Ole Miss has got a chance to beat LSU at home.
Starting it off with Brady House, 2 of 3. So the B spot, Colin. A little Tommy White's 49 blackjack. Little Trent Caraway, 6 of 10 purple. Spot, Colin. Little Rafael Flores, the green clear. It's 12 of 25. Our spots, Colin. So Brody Brecht, 19 of 99. Spot, Colin. Little Tyson Lewis, black ice steel. Spot, Colin. Little 2 of 2. Shoo, look at that patch, man. Ben Hess. God, those are so sick. Little Yankee logo, 1 of 10 for the B spot. Blackjack. God, this Trinity, man, has got some crazy patches. And closing it out. So 49, Kevin McConaughey. It's for the K spot. Ethan, got you 1. That's it, Ethan. Little napkin patch. 2, man, that is gnarly. Gnarly patch. Graph player worn too. This Trinity is fire. Fire, fire, fire. I'll check on the rest there. Boom. That's a good box of Trinity. Oh, next one is up. So jumping in, guys.